With the DAXRM drag-and-drop custom report builder, you can quickly and easily create great-looking branded reports for your clients. In this video, we will go through how you can set up hassle-free report templates that can be used to create client-specific reports. To do this, we will go through 3 steps. Step 1. Set your custom report branding. Step 2. Create a report template. Step 3. Create a client-specific report using a template. Let's start with Step 1, setting your white label custom report branding. First, navigate to Settings and then click on Report Branding. You will find a range of options in the slider menu, which you can configure as required. Start by adding your agency logo under the Brand Logo section. The preferred logo dimensions are 200 by 80. You can then configure your brand colors for page headers and footers under the Page Style section. From there, you can expand each of the style sections to configure each widget according to your branding style and preferences. Once you have configured your custom branding preferences, click Save. Now, let's move on to Step 2, creating a report template. Building your own customized report templates will save you a lot of time when it comes to creating your client reports. You will be able to select from your pre-made templates and populate them with client-specific data at the push of a button. Plus, if you have already set up your customized branding and chart styles, these will be included in your templates and newly created reports. We recommend that you create separate templates for each of your connectors. This may include a Google My Business template, Google Analytics template, Facebook Ads template, and so on. For this demo, we will cover 2 templates, a cover page template and a Google My Business template. To get started, we will create a cover page template. Navigate to Template and then click on Report Template. Now click on New Report Template in the top right corner. We'll name this Cover Page Template. Click Save. It will now appear in the Report Template list. Click on Cover Page Template to access the Report Designer. Here on the left, you can see the automatically generated cover and contents pages, as well as a blank new page. You can hide pages by clicking on the eye icon. Click on the 3-dot icon to edit or delete individual pages. On the right, you have Integrations widgets and Object widgets. The Objects tab includes text label, image, and date range label, which you can drag and drop into the report. The cover page is automatically generated with the logo you uploaded during the custom branding stage, as well as 2 text labels and a date range label. You can double-click into any of these elements to customize them, as well as resize them or move them as needed. The second page in this template is the table of contents. This will automatically populate as you add new pages and page titles. Now we simply save the changes to this template. Let's move on to creating a Google My Business template. Click on New Report Template in the top right corner. Add the name Google My Business template and click Save. It will now appear in the Report Template list. Click on the template name to access the Report Designer. Since we have already created a cover page template, we will delete the cover page and table of contents page so we can create a template that just shows the relevant Google My Business data. Now we can start adding the data widgets. Go to the Integrations tab on the right and expand Google My Business. You will see a range of widgets to choose from, such as statistics, line chart, bar chart, and so on. From these widgets, you can select how you want your data to be displayed on the page. Now choose from the list of Google My Business data widgets in the list. Simply drag and drop your chosen widget from the list onto the page. The data that appears at the template stage is sample data and is used for representation only. Live data will be shown when we create a client-specific report in Step 3. You can double-click on the widget or click on the 3 dots to open the configuration for this widget. This will allow you to change the header, subheader, and apply widget styles. The widget can also be resized by dragging the corner. To get a better sense of how to lay out the report, Let's add a few more widgets. When you have all the widgets placed and configured, click Save. Now, this template is ready to be used to create client-specific reports. You can follow this process to create templates for other integrations, such as Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and so on. Now, let's move on to step 3, creating a client-specific report using a template. Creating a client-specific report based on a template is quick and easy. Once done, this will be the final client-ready version of the report, with real-time data pulled from the active integrations. To start making a client-specific report, go to Account in the sidebar and select the account you want to create a report for. On the Account Overview dashboard, click on the report icon, then click on New Report. Add a report name as Acme Corporation Monthly Report, then select the cover page report template and click Save. The report will now appear in the report list. Click on the Design button to open the Report Designer. You will see the cover page that you customized at the template stage. You can now make changes to the cover page as needed. Any change you make at this stage will be specific to this report only. For example, let's add a client's logo. With the cover page customized to the client, let's import the Google My Business template to this report. Click on Add New in the left bottom corner and click Import Report Template. Select Google My Business template and click Save. We can now see the Google My Business pages from the template we created in Step 2. This process enables you to quickly and easily add relevant report templates as needed to any of your client-specific reports. At this stage, you can see that the widgets are still displaying sample data. So let's have a look at some live data. Before previewing the live data, it's worth noting that the client you're creating the report for must have an active Google My Business integration for live data to appear. Click on Live Data in the top bar. This will populate the widgets with real-time data from the active integrations. You can change the date range for the displayed data by clicking the dates at the top of the screen. You can set a custom date range by choosing a start and finish date on the calendar. Alternatively, you can select from the preset date ranges and click Apply. The preset date ranges will include all data within that range up to the current day. With the correct date range and live data now appearing, we can preview the final report by clicking the Preview button in the top right corner. From the preview screen, you can download the final report PDF by hitting the Export button. Alternatively, you can simply copy the report URL in your browser. Anyone with this link will now be able to access and view the report. You can share this report with your clients as a URL or exported PDF. And there you have it: custom report branding, creating report templates, and creating client-specific reports from a template. If you have any further questions, please refer to our Help Center.